Good afternoon, children. Today we start the fourth chapter. One video I have already given you on chapter operators and expression. In second video I have given you about the description of operators. So in this video I explain you what is expression. An expression in Java is an valid combination of operators, constant and variable. An expression is composed of one or more operators. The object of the operators are referred to as an operand. The operations are represented by operators. The expression in Java can be of any type: arithmetic expression, relational or logical expression, compound expression. If an expression is formed using arithmetic operator, it is an arithmetic expression. If an expression has relational Boolean operator, it is a logical or Boolean expression. In arithmetic expression, some are pure expression and some are mixed expression. Here some mathematical expression. How you are going to write mathematical expression? These are all mathematical expression. You have to write it in Java expression. So question come, you have given mathematical expression, you have to write down in Java. How you are going to write it? A, B, C. A multiplied by B multiplied by C. So for multiplication, it is asterisk sign. Then next is AB plus BC plus CD. So A multiplied by B plus B multiplied by C plus C multiplied by D. So plus and asterisk are mathematical operators and AB are operand. Then next is A to the power plus B to the power. So A multiplied by A plus B multiplied by B. Then 2L plus B. So 2 multiply and this expression is written with bracket. Then PRT divided by 100. Then 1 upon 3. Then multiplied by A multiplied by B plus 1 slash 2 divided by, then multiplied C and multiplied D. These are all mathematical expression. I have given you in assignment some expression. You have to write it in Java. Then next is Boolean expression. What is Boolean expression? The expression that result into false or true are called Boolean. The Boolean expression are combination of constant, variable, logical and relational operators. A Boolean expression may contain just one sign or unsigned variable or a constant, or it may have two or more variable. Two or more variable or operators should not occur in continuation. X more than Y. Here are some Boolean example. Boolean example always come in true and false. Just like this, X more than Y, then Y more than X, or this one is sign of or. Then Z less than Y, then this sign of and, then again equal to, more than equal to, or this one is not and this one is n. So these are Boolean expression. When you type it on computer in programming, you will find the result in true or false. Then next is some Java expression I have given you. These expression all of you see, ut plus 1 upon 2. So how you are going to write it? U multiplied by t plus 1/2 multiplied by f multiplied by t to the power a. So t multiplied by t. Then next is write an expression in Java for z 5x to the power plus 2y. So z equals 5 multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by y. So this is division is there. So it is slash x plus y. So this question is giving, and this expression you are going to write it. It comes in your section A, 2 marks of each question. Then write the result stored in here x equals to 5. Then x plus, so x is 5 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by minus x. So x value is here, one time it is executed, so x value is 6. So 6, when it is minus, it become 5. When we solve this, the answer will be 25. Then fourth one is what are the values of x and y when the following statements are executed? Int a equals to 3, comma b equals to 36. This is Boolean. When and it is ternary operator. In ternary operator, the first is condition, then question mark, expression 1, colon, expression 2 and semicolon. This all of you know. In the previous video I already explained you. Then next is y equals to a less than b. This is condition, question mark, a colon b, expression 1 and expression 2. Yeah, here all of you see Boolean x a more than b. A value is 63 and b value is 36. So obviously this one is true. This condition is satisfying. So x equals to true and y equals to 36. What is the value of y? That is 36. Clear? So these are all expression I have given you in assignment. I have given you in assignment some questions. This you can solve it and do it. All the expression you write it in your homework notebook. On next video I will explain you about the project of computer application. Okay.